Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Yaris fan belt. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your engine is completely cool and the car is securely parked. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any unexpected electrical issues. Next, take a moment to locate the belt routing diagram, which is often conveniently placed under the hood for easy reference. Now, let's access the belt. You'll need to find the automatic belt tensioner pulley. It usually has a square opening designed for a breaker bar. Insert your breaker bar or a suitable wrench into this opening and gently rotate it to release the tension on the belt. With the tension gone, you can carefully slide the old serpentine belt off all the various pulleys. Installing the new belt is next. First, compare your new belt with the old one to ensure they are identical in length and type. Now, carefully route the new belt around all the pulleys, following the diagram precisely. Leave the tensioner pulley for the very last step. Once again, use your breaker bar to release the tensioner, then simply slip the new belt onto that final pulley. For your final checks, slowly release the tensioner and visually confirm that the new belt is perfectly seated within all the pulley grooves. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Then, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, carefully observing the belt's operation. Listen closely for any unusual squealing or flapping sounds, as these could signal an incorrect installation or improper tension.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.